If you're tired of hearing the same old energy stories, rising bills, pollution, and endless debates about fossil fuels, but still dream of a world powered by clean, limitless energy, then you're in for a treat. There's a new hope on the horizon, and it's not coming from Earth at all. Because the answer to our energy problems might be hiding in the most unlikely place, the moon. Picture this: astronauts in bulky suits, digging into the dusty lunar surface, searching for something even more precious than gold or diamonds. Deep within that gray, powdery dust lies a rare and almost magical element called helium-3. It's not something you'll find in your backyard, or even in the deepest mines on Earth. In fact, it's so rare here that scientists have been dreaming about it for decades. But why is helium-3 so special? Well, it's the missing ingredient for a technology that could change everything: nuclear fusion. Unlike the nuclear power we use today, which creates dangerous waste, fusion is the process that powers the sun. If we could harness it, we'd have almost unlimited clean energy. No pollution, no radioactive leftovers, just pure power. To put it in perspective, just a single spoonful of helium-3 could generate enough electricity to light up an entire city for a whole year. Imagine a world where blackouts are a thing of the past, and every home, school, and hospital has all the energy it needs, without harming the planet. It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, right? But this is real science, and the race to unlock this power is already underway. Scientists and engineers are working around the clock, running experiments, and building the technology that could make lunar mining possible. Here's the wild part. While Earth has almost none of this incredible element, the moon is absolutely loaded with it. Some estimates say there could be over 1 million tons of helium-3 just waiting to be collected. That's enough to power the entire world for centuries. That's why space agencies like NASA, private companies like SpaceX, and even new players from around the world are racing to get there first. They're designing rockets, building lunar landers, and planning missions that could change the course of human history. Imagine fleets of robotic miners crawling across the moon's surface, scooping up dust, heating it to extract helium-3, and then sending it back to Earth in high-tech cargo ships. All of this, coordinated by teams of scientists and engineers back home, watching every move from mission control. These missions aren't just about mining, they're about building the first real outposts on another world. Imagine lunar bases powered by the very element they're mining, with solar panels and advanced life support systems, paving the way for future explorers and maybe even permanent settlements. If these ambitious plans succeed, the impact on life here on Earth could be enormous. We could see a future where energy is cheap, clean, and available to everyone, no matter where you live. Clean power would mean less pollution in our cities, healthier air to breathe, and a massive boost to the global economy. We could see new industries, new jobs, and a brand new space economy worth billions, maybe even trillions of dollars. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Mining the moon is no easy task. The environment is harsh, the technology is expensive, and there are huge risks involved. Plus, there are big questions about who owns the moon's resources and how we'll share this treasure fairly. So, is the moon really the key to our energy future? Or is it just a distant dream, shimmering in the night sky, always just out of reach? One thing's for sure, the race is on, and the next few years could bring discoveries that change everything we know about energy, space, and our place in the universe. Subscribe now for more mind-blowing space discoveries, and let's find out together if the moon's hidden treasure will power our future.